and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. CM takes housing from Milind, allots information. Takes RDA from Parsekar, gives ports. Takes Craftsman Training from Francis, gives IT. Rift in Congress just 2 days before Assembly session. Babush alleges senior Rane of match fixing with CM. Many Congress MLAs skip CLP meet. Rajnikant invited to open 2013 IFI. ESG awaits Rajnikant's confirmation. IFI to host Hollywood stars. Opening ceremony at Bamboli Lusofonia Stadium. Goa Bachao Abhiyan demands regional plan before Lok Sabha poll. Will not allow any project in eco-sensitive zone. Maina Kurtori police crack robbery case within 24 hours. Nab 3 culprits, 3 more suspects still on run. Seize motorbikes, fake pistols used for crime. And Nuwan Joysa is a fantastic coach, says assistant Ranji cricket coach Prakash Mayakar. Goa cricketers Bangalore bound for practice matches. Now the news in detail. CM has taken housing from Milind Naik and allotted him information department. He has taken rural development from Laxmikant Parsekar and given him ports. Craftsman Training has been taken away from Francis D'Souza. He has been given IT and NRI. RDA has been given to Avertano Furtado, Craftsman Training to Deepak Dhavalikar, and housing has been taken by CM to himself.
Finally, Chief Minister allotted additional portfolios to his Council of Ministers on late Monday evening. The list is as follows. CM has taken housing from Milind Naik. Craftsman Training is taken away from Francis D'Souza, while he is given IT and NRI affairs. Milind Dhavalikar gets non-conventional energy. Most importantly, RDA has been snatched away from Laxmikant Parsekar and he has been given Ports Department. Dayanand Mandrekar gets Archaeology. Ramesh Tavadkar gets Archives. Mahadev Naik gets Handicraft and Textile Department along with Legal Metrology. Dilip Parulekar gets Protocol Department. Milind Naik's housing has been kept by CM himself and has allotted information and publicity to Milind. Deepak Dhavalikar gets Craftsman and Training from Francis D'Souza. Avertano Furtado gets RDA from Laxmikant Parsekar. Last remains Alina Saldana. She gets Museum Department.
फ्रांसिस डिसोजाचे क्राफ्टमॅन ट्रेनिंग काढून ते दीपक धवळीकराक दिला आणि त्या जाग्यार फ्रांसिस डिसोजाक NRI आणि इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी खातें दिला. पार्सेकाराचे RDA काढून ते आवर्तान फुर्तादाक दिला आणि त्या जाग्यार पार्सेकाराक कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स दिला. मिलिंदाचे हावजिंग काढून परिकरान ते आपल्या कडेन दवरले आणि त्या जाग्यार मिलिंदाक इन्फॉर्मेशन आनी पब्लिसिटी खातें दिला. हे महत्वाचे बदल सोडले जाल्यार उरिल्ल्या मंत्र्यांक बारीक सारीक खातीं दिवन निभावन गेले. आल्तिनोच्यान चेतन गांवसांगडा लौकीक शिलकार प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
Rift within the Congress is wide open on the face of Assembly session. Babush and Jennifer Montserrat and Pandurang Madkekar boycotted the Congress Legislature Party meeting alleging fixing between senior Rane and CM. Babush Montserrat rapped opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane for supporting limitation on number of unstarred and starred questions in the Assembly.
Congress Legislative Party held its meeting on Monday on the backdrop of Assembly session beginning after 2 days. Only 4 MLAs were present. Pratap Singh Rane, Vishwajit Rane, Maureen Gudino and Alex Reginald. Babush Montserrat, Jennifer Montserrat and Pandurang Madkekar boycotted the crucial meet. Digambar Kamath and Babu Kavlekar did not attend the meet due to their busy schedule. Babush has alleged match fixing between Parikar and Rane.
It is our thing is what when the CLP had previous day or something when CLP took place. That is the time this discussion should have come, or he should have discussed with other members.
Right.
We are also members of the Legislative Assembly. He is the opposition leader, because all cannot be opposition leaders. So, but the opposition leader also should not take things for granted, saying that everything, whatever he says will be agreed upon. This is totally unacceptable and unagreeable. So, it is my form of protest to show. That's the reason I said, what is the use of attending a CLP when you don't discuss what is needed to be discussed? So, that is my reason.
Okay. Sir, do you think that there
and
is...
I am telling you, it is nothing. It is a fixed match between the chief minister and the opposition leader.
Okay.
So I have basically lost faith.
Okay.
And I always believe we are in opposition. We are here to deliver. We are here to basically the grievances of the public. We are to highlight.
Okay.
And if in the 15 and that also in unstart question, if you have a restriction, so what is the use of this assembly then?
Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald has blamed Speaker for the restriction on questions.
15 portfolios are there on one day. Now which portfolio to talk? If you start talking on home, the whole day will be over, and you know what it is. This present government doesn't allow us time also to speak. In just 10 minutes he starts ringing the bell, and 11 minutes he tells us to sit down.
The speaker is being biased, is it?
Sorry?
Speaker is being biased.
I am not saying, everybody is saying it.
Are you saying the speaker is biased?
Sorry?
Are you saying the speaker is biased?
If he is not biased, then what he wants us to say? Why is he not allowing us to speak? Why is he not allowing us to speak at length? You know how much the opposition leader was speaking when Mr. Rane was the speaker.
With reporter Mahesh Ghadi, our video journalist Omkar Frari and Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Noted Hollywood personalities are expected to be part of this year's EP. ESG has approached Laxmikant to be the star attraction during opening ceremony. However, there is no confirmation yet. EP inaugural venue would be shifted from Kala Academy to new Lusophonia Games Stadium at Bamboli.
इफ्फीचे उद्घाटन करू आमी कांपाल एक स्पेशल हँगर घालून केल्लें जवळ 3000 लोकांच्या बसपाची त्यामुळे सोय जाल्ली म्हणून आमी असो विचार केलो की आतां लुझोफोनिया खातीर नवें स्टेडियम बांदतात तालिगांव युनिवर्सिटीच्या लागसारूच सो तें आतां 5 ऑक्टोबर म्हणजे 5 नोव्हेंबर मेरेन पुराय जावपाची सगळी शक्यता आसा म्हणटलें की इफ्फीच्या हँगराचेर जो आमी पळय खर्च करता तो करच्या परस जर स्टेडियमांतूच जर हें केलें चड लोकांकूय बसोवपाक मेळटलें जवळ जवळ 4500 लोक हे थंय बसपाक शकतले आनीक त्या निमतान जें नवें स्टेडियम केलां तें स्टेडियम लोकांक पळोवपाक मेळटलें ऑलरेडी AC सामकें सुपर हायफाय जें हें आसा स्टेडियम आसा सो स्टेडियमाचेंच उद्घाटन हे इफ्फीच्या हातूंतल्यान जातलें माध्यमांतल्यान लुझोफोनिया गेम येवचे पयलीं
सर अशें आयकलां रजनीकांत येता
रजनीकांताक कॉन्टॅक्ट केला पूण अजुनूय कितें आतां तें कन्फर्मेशन मेळना कित्याक ताची तब्येत मातशी मदीं मदीं थोडी हें जाता
कन्फर्म जाला तो
अजून जावना पूण 1-2-3 दिसांनी कळटलें आमकां
सर हॉलिवूड कोण येतले
हॉलिवूडच्यान खूब जाण येवपाचे कांय स्पेशल गेस्ट म्हणून येवपाच्या जस्ट तांची नांवां फायनलायज जालीं हांव सांगता
ओके
कांय खूब VIPs येवपाचे आहा
हॉलिवूड ओके थँक्यू
Goa Bachao Abhiyan has appealed the state government not to allow housing projects in eco-sensitive zone. The members of GBA have threatened the government solve regional plan issue or will campaign against the government during the forthcoming Lok Sabha election. They have also threatened to go to High Court against the projects coming up in eco-sensitive zone.
There are two opinions in the groups. One group says that if the government is not functioning, let's go to the court and bring a stay order and let these issues be sorted out. There is another view which says let us give the government a chance and let's discuss and sort out these issues. So accordingly, we have given government time to sit on the negotiating table and sort out these issues. Actually, it's not a big thing because the process had already started earlier.
He didn't even have a sanad. Sanad Kera has got on April 2013, whereas the plans have been passed in November 2011 without a sanad. The Panchayat has given construction license and provisional NOC for subdivision, and on that same date, 18/11/11, without a sanat. And even the licenses have been signed only by the Sarpanch. Secretary has refused to sign, as noted in the meetings that he is not signing because there might be legal difficulties in the ahead. So he said, I am not signing. Now only the Sarpanch has signed.
Maina police have cracked road robbery case within 24 hours. Police have arrested 3 accused. Other 3 are on the run. DIG O.P. Mishra informed that a gang of 6 to 7 robbers robbed a truck driver and 2 of his companions on Sunday morning on Bori-Rasai route. Robbers thrashed the driver and the cleaners and decamped with 30,000 rupees and mobile phones. Police have seized 2 motorbikes used for the crime.
At around 5 on Sunday morning, robbers blocked a truck belonging to an event management company, threatened the driver and cleaner, thrashed them and robbed them. After receiving the complaint, Maina police laid a trap on Sunday night at Bori-Rasai route in a civil dress. Police waved out to stop a bike coming towards them. 3 people were suspiciously travelling on a single bike. After seeing police, they fled from the scene. Police chased and finally nabbed them. Police are looking for other 3 absconding robbers. DIG O.P. Mishra briefed the media.
Yesterday morning, around 5 o'clock, 6 wheeler which was carrying some important equipment of an event management company. This particular vehicle was overtaken by one motorcycle rider, and he stopped the vehicle. There were 2 other motorcycles also came, and there were total 6-7 people. The driver of the truck was assaulted, and money, which the driver has now disclosed that he was carrying approximately 20 to 30,000 money. His mobile phone was taken. So around 2:30 in the night, they were able to locate one motorcycle coming from opposite direction. By seeing the police vehicle, they again ran. So he immediately alerted the nearby PCR van and chased this particular motorcycle. The name of the first accused is Mr. Joseph Wells, Rushikesh Naik. Third person who is arrested is Naveen Naik.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Devendra Gaokar and Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.